tearing it. Or I have ruined the pin, and we do actually need the smaller one to go in the other hole. That's probably what it is. So we're going to use the other one and go here. Sometimes I just don't do things the right way. I just flared it out so it would tighten it up, that's all. Yeah, see, I don't like that. Start running that way. We're gonna leave both of those in there. Now the other one is most definitely gonna need the smaller screw. Stick out a little bit. Okay, we have both of our posts in. Tank is going to fit. We just need rubber grommets at this point. Here we are completely sitting. You guys probably can't see that. We fixing to do it. Okay. That is in. Let's go back here. Okay. Next we are going to mount the center diff. There's no way that I built this entire thing backwards. There's just no stinking way. Looks like I built the whole stinking thing backwards, unless... try to always face these up. The reason I do that is so that when I go to adjust them later, they're easy to get to just from the top. You can do it with everything in the kit. We'll have to find out if that rings true here later down the line when this has to get adjusted, because you can't do anything until you get the whole kit in. You can't do anything until you get your servos and everything in, and you go to manually set everything. Let's tip this one just a little bit forward. Okay. Alright. Those guys are back on. Let's figure out what we gotta do here. Okay. And back down. Go back to our diff kit. So it looks like these four are going to be the ones that we want underneath the chassis. Okay. So it's as simple as literally just getting these guys in. We just need to go in pretty snug. Free, and we removed all of that play by putting those shims in there. There's only a little tiny bit of play in there, and that's about as much as you want, about a half a mil. So we are completely free, and there is little to no play all in there. You got maybe a half a mil, and you want that so that when things do heat up and they expand, that you got a little bit of breathing room.